Hello, today we're going to delve into a story that combines ambition, madness, and sheer audacity in the automotive world. We're talking about the 2023 Ferrari 296 GTB, a hybrid masterpiece and a dazzling technological achievement. A car that, just a few weeks ago, looked like it had been through a lot. Yes, friends, this isn't just any ordinary repair. It's the story of Matt Armstrong and his $133,000 adventure with a Ferrari that even Ferrari itself declared was finished. Get ready because it's going to be an exciting journey. So picture this, a brand new Ferrari 296 GTB, a car that cost more than most people's houses, reduced to a crumpled mess. The official Ferrari dealership, in their infinite wisdom, took one look and declared it a total loss. Too much damage, they said, beyond repair. Now, for most sane individuals, that would be the end of the story. You collect the insurance payout, shed a tear, and move on. But Matt Armstrong isn't most sane individuals. He saw a challenge, a diamond in the rough, or perhaps a very expensive paperweight with potential. He swooped in, dropping a cool $133,000 on what many would consider a glorified scrap heap. The audacity, is it genius or is it pure unadulterated madness? Only time and a lot of wrenching will tell. The first act of this automotive drama unfolds in sunny Cyprus. The immediate goal, make this mangled masterpiece rollable. The front suspension, a complex dance of aluminum and carbon fiber, was utterly destroyed. This isn't your grandpa's leaf spring repair. We're talking about precision engineering. The team had to meticulously work on getting the wheels back on, a task that, while seemingly simple, is crucial for transportation. Imagine trying to move a 1.5-ton paperweight without wheels. It's less like a repair and more like an archaeological dig, carefully unearthing what's left of a once proud supercar. The comedic element here is the sheer contrast. A high-tech Ferrari being patched up in what looks like a makeshift garage, far from the pristine, sterile environments of Maranello. Once the Ferrari made its way to the UK workshop, the real fun began, the complete teardown. This is where the true extent of the damage started to reveal itself, and it wasn't pretty. They found a gaping hole in the floor pan, a critical structural component. This isn't just a cosmetic dent, this compromises the entire integrity of the vehicle. And then there's the bent chassis. A bent chassis on a performance car is like a broken spine on an athlete. It's a monumental task to bring it back to factory specifications. This highlights a critical point. Modern supercars, while incredibly advanced, are often designed with such tight tolerances and complex structures that even minor accidents can lead to catastrophic and seemingly irreparable damage. It raises the question, are these cars built to be repaired or simply replaced? As if structural damage wasn't enough, the team was plagued by major electrical faults. The car wouldn't even start. In a hybrid supercar like the 296 GTB, the electrical system is a labyrinth of sensors, control units, and high-voltage components. Diagnosing and repairing these issues without specialized Ferrari tools and diagnostics is a Herculean effort. This is where the critical commentary comes in. The increasing complexity of modern vehicles makes them incredibly difficult and expensive to repair outside of official channels. It's almost as if manufacturers design them to be unrepairable by the average mechanic, forcing owners back to dealerships for costly replacements. To tackle the structural damage, they had to perform a major surgical procedure, separating the entire rear subframe, engine, and transmission from the car's body. This isn't a job for the faint of heart. It requires specialized equipment and a deep understanding of the car's architecture. With the subframe out, the team could finally get to work on the floor pan. This involved carefully cutting out the damaged section and fabricating a new panel. This isn't just welding, it's a precise process of riveting and sealing to ensure structural integrity and prevent future issues. It's a testament to their skill and dedication, turning what was once a mangled mess into something resembling a car again. Then came the interior strip down. Every single piece of the interior, from the dashboard to all the airbags, had to come out. This isn't just about replacing damaged parts, it's about accessing the intricate wiring harnesses and structural components hidden beneath. It's a daunting task that reveals the sheer complexity of modern automotive design. You see wires, modules, and sensors everywhere, a true spaghetti junction. The comedic aspect here is imagining the sheer number of clips, screws, and hidden fasteners involved in taking apart a modern car, only to have to put it all back together perfectly. As the video concludes, we're left with a Ferrari 296 GTB that's completely disassembled, a bare shell awaiting extensive chassis and bodywork. The journey is far from over, but the progress is undeniable. This project is a fascinating case study in automotive repair, highlighting the incredible skill and perseverance required to bring a modern supercar back from the brink. It also serves as a critical commentary on the evolving nature of car manufacturing and repair. Are these vehicles becoming too complex, too expensive, and too difficult to fix? Is the concept of a repairable car becoming a relic of the past? Matt Armstrong's journey is more than just fixing a car, it's a statement about the passion for automotive engineering and the desire to defy the odds. We'll be closely following the developments of this amazing project. What do you think? Is it worth it or just a waste of money? Share your opinion in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on more incredible car adventures.